Hey everyone, and welcome back to another quick tech how-to video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone zoom out. First, you're going to go to settings. Now, a lot of people have had this problem before where they have a setting on and then they unlock their iPhone and it looks super zoomed in for some reason. So a good way to understand how to fix that is going to your settings and going into accessibility, and it's going to give you a list of options here: voiceover, zoom, magnifier, display, motion, all of the above. You're going to hit zoom. Now mine is off because I don't ever want to accidentally zoom in my phone and not know how to zoom it out. But if yours was on, that's probably your problem. Unless you need it and you have problems with your vision or of some sort of reason as to why zoom would be useful to you, that's perfect. But otherwise, I would definitely turn it off. So we have a few things here. We have zoom. If you turn it on, it shows you instructions right below it. Double tap 3 fingers to zoom. A lot of people have been using 2. Make sure it's 3. You can drag your 3 fingers around to see specific parts of the screen, and then you could double tap your 3 fingers again and drag to change the zoom. There's follow focus. It'll focus with whatever you're looking at. Smart typing is a totally different technique used with Apple iPhones. There's zoom controller, zoom region, and zoom filter. Now these are all very specific. There's also a maximum zoom level. Mine's at 5 times. I don't want it zoomed in like 20 times. I'm not going to be able to read anything in general. It goes into details here with how you want to zoom. So you could change it to single tap, double tap, triple tap, your zoom level, the color of the zoom, and the opacity when you're zooming, meaning how visible are the words that you're reading when you're zoomed in. Same thing with zoom region. Do you want it in a little window when it zooms in on your phone, or do you want a full screen just zooming in? There's zoom filter, which is inverted grayscale, low light, grayscale inverted. Some people have other problems with their eyesight, whether it be color blindness or anything like that, so these would definitely help. And yeah, that sums up the zoom feature on an Apple iPhone. This is everything zoom in the settings, and this also shows you how to zoom out on your Apple iPhone using your 3 fingers, double tapping to zoom in and zoom out. And that's how to make your iPhone zoom out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below.